Did you know that a tiny $15 part could be silently destroying your engine right now? That's right, your PCV valve might be failing, and if you ignore it, you could be facing thousands of dollars in repairs. Sounds scary, doesn't it? Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Today we are diving into a tiny but mighty component of your engine, the PCV valve. Ever heard of it? If not, don't worry, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly what it does, how to spot when it's gone bad, and how to fix it yourself. Let's get started. First things first, what is a PCV valve? PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation, and it's a small but crucial part of your engine's breathing system. Its job is to recycle harmful gases from the engine crankcase back into the combustion chamber to be burned off. Sounds important, right? Well, when this little guy fails, it can cause some big problems. Where is the PCV valve location? You will find it on the valve cover or intake manifold at the end of a hose. So how do you know if your PCV valve is bad? Let's talk symptoms. Number 1. Rough idling. If your car feels like it's shaking or stumbling when you are at a stoplight, it could be a sign that the PCV valve is clogged or stuck open. Not fun, right? The connection between faulty PCV valves and diagnostic trouble codes. Number 2. Poor fuel economy. If you are visiting the gas station more often than your favorite coffee shop, a bad PCV valve might be to blame. It can mess with your engine's air-fuel mixture, making it less efficient. Number 3. Oil leaks or sludge. A faulty PCV valve can cause pressure to build up in the crankcase, forcing oil out of seals and gaskets. And trust me, oil leaks are messy and expensive to fix. And finally, number 4. Check engine light. If your car's computer detects an issue with the PCV system, it'll throw a code and light up that dreaded dashboard warning. Don't ignore it. Now here's the good news. Fixing a bad PCV valve is usually super easy and won't break the bank. Also, you can replace it yourself in just a few minutes. Here's how. Step 1. Locate your PCV valve. It's usually on the valve cover or intake manifold, and it's connected to a hose. Check your owner's manual if you are not sure where it is. Step 2. Remove the old PCV valve. Simply pull off the hose and unscrew or unclip the valve. Be gentle, those hoses can get brittle over time. Step 3. Install the new PCV valve. Just pop it in, reconnect the hose, and make sure everything is snug. Easy peasy. Step 4. Start your engine and listen for that smooth idle. If everything sounds good, you're done. Pat yourself on the back. You just saved yourself a trip to the mechanic. Remember, friends, a healthy PCV valve is key to keeping your engine running smoothly. If you noticed any of the symptoms we talked about, don't wait. Check that PCV valve. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.